unshakable identity. 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 9 says, "You are a chosen people, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, God's special possession." In a world of comparison and identity crisis, we can easily get lost. We try to define who we are by the things that we have, by the possession that we enjoy, by the people that we're part of. But, we end up frustrated, discouraged, and sad sa buhay natin because we end up, getting lost in who we really are in front of God. Our worth, ang totoong worth natin, ang value natin, can only be found in Christ. Do you find your identity in what the world says or in what God says about you? Sabi ng isang quote, your value doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth.